Hey guys, it's Tony. I did want to update you guys on RKT. Just like that, we do break that $25 barrier. I was actually looking more for that for like 24 something. I forgot what the actual price range that I was looking for it to break. But I started watching YouTube on some Marvel stuff, and then I come back and we're already up at $25.64, which is absolutely insane. Currently, I am getting close to being around $10,000 in profit. And this thing just keeps going up. I mean, it just keeps going. I think at this rate, there's a very, very, very big chance that RKT can potentially hit $30 by Friday, to be honest. I think that, $30 by the end of this week is definitely plausible, and maybe even $40 by the end of next week. I do think there's a lot of volume coming into RKT right now, especially with all of the there's a lot of hype on Wall Street Bets, as well as a lot of other articles being written, and just a lot of talk on RKT, because it is the most expensive shorted stock in the market. It's being shorted at an extremely expensive price, which basically means that there is a potential for Rocket to actually have some sort of a short squeeze. That we'll go into that a little bit later, but yeah, definitely happy with RKT as of right now. I'm not selling anytime soon. I'll keep updating you guys as I see any progress on the price on RKT. I'll see you guys later.